Hello everyone, this is Rajeshri and today I'll be unboxing JBL TEMPO j03 on-ear headphones. The maximum retail price for this is 2490 as you can see, but I got it for 1700 from a local store, and on Flipkart the price for the same is 1799. It has a 3.5 mm jack and the wire is 3.9 feet long. Uh, let us have a look what is inside the box. Okay, so I can see a user's manual. You can go through it once if you want to. This is the jack, 3.5 mm gold plated jack. It is very nicely packed. Okay, they have this. Okay, they have given me a pouch for carrying my headphones. That is pretty impressive. These are the headphones. They're quite light and weight, not heavy. The ear cuffs are adjustable. It has a cushion over here on head, and that is what it looks like. I think I am really impressed by the looks. And this is 3.9 feet long wire. Let me check the audio quality. It has a very high bass. I think I can help you here.
I got a sick obsession. I'm seeing it in my dreams. I'm looking down every alley. I'm making those desperate calls. I'm staying up all night hoping, hitting my head against the wall. What you got, boy, is hard to.
Okay, so that is it about this headphones. It has a pretty impressive quality as the brand suggests. Very high bass. I am impressed by this, and there's a warning on the box that says listening to the personal stereo equipment at full volume for long periods can damage the user's hearing. So take care of that and enjoy your headphones. Thank you. Bye bye.